Are you tired of paying hundreds of dollars every month for software tools just to run your marketing agency? Or maybe you are struggling to find local clients who actually want to pay you for your services. Watch this video right now before you spend another dime on lead generation. Welcome to App Verdict. Today we are looking at CMSRobots. My honest first impression, if you want to start or grow a local marketing agency without paying monthly fees for overpriced software, you need this. It completely automates finding leads and closing deals, making it an absolute no-brainer for freelancers and beginners. CMSRobots is a brand new AI system that essentially replaces an entire marketing agency team. It's built for anyone who wants to land high-paying clients on autopilot. Most beginners struggle because they do not know how to find businesses that need help, and they hate cold emails. CMSRobots solves that completely. It finds the leads, audits their websites, writes the cold emails, and even builds the proposals for you, all from one dashboard for a one-time fee. Let's jump inside the dashboard so I can show you exactly how this works. First, you go to the lead discovery engine. You just type in a niche and a city. For example, you type plumbers in Austin. In seconds, the AI connects to Google and pulls a list of hundreds of real verified local businesses. But here's the best part. It scores every single business from 0 to 100 based on their real marketing gaps. You'll see immediately if they have bad SEO, missing social media, or terrible reviews. Then you click one button. The AI writes a highly personalized cold email for that specific business. It tells the business owner exactly what's wrong with their marketing and offers your help to fix it. When they reply, you track everything inside the built-in CRM. If they ask for more details, the AI generates a professional, branded proposal in minutes. Once they hire you, you use the delivery dashboard to manage their content and reports. It's the easiest system I've ever seen.
What if finding clients was the easiest part of your week? Stop. Before you do anything else today, watch this. Because in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly why talented marketing freelancers and agency owners stay stuck at the same income level for years, while a small group of people using one unfair advantage are signing $2,000, $5,000, even $10,000 a month local business clients on autopilot. And no, it's not about working harder. It's not about being a better marketer, and it's definitely not about sending more cold emails. It's about having a system, a complete AI-powered system that does the hardest parts of running a marketing agency automatically. Keep watching, because what you're about to see changes everything. Here's the truth nobody in this industry wants to say out loud. Most marketing freelancers are spending 80% of their time on everything except marketing. Every Monday morning, the same painful loop. Manually hunting Google Maps for local business leads, copying names into spreadsheets, hunting for emails, Writing cold emails that sound like everyone else's. Getting ignored. Landing a call, then spending 4 hours building a proposal in Canva that still looks amateur next to a real agency deck. Losing the deal. Then trying to manage 5 active clients across 7 different tools. Reports here, invoices there, content somewhere else, and wondering why growth feels impossible. Sound familiar? Here's what nobody tells you. This is not a skills problem. You know your craft. This is a systems problem. And for years, the only people with real systems were big agencies with 10-person teams, $50,000 software budgets, and investors behind them. Solo freelancers and small agency owners left to figure it out manually, tool by tool, Sunday by Sunday, until now. Introducing CMSRobots, the world's first AI platform that finds local business clients, closes them with professional proposals, and delivers your services, all from one dashboard. Here's how it works. You type what you want. Find me dentists in Chicago within 10 miles. CMSRobots connects to the Google Places API and returns hundreds of real, verified local businesses in seconds. Then, and this is where it gets powerful, the AI scores every single business from 0 to 100 based on their real marketing gaps. Missing SEO? Points off. Broken website? Points off. No reviews? Points off. You see exactly who needs you most before you send a single word. Then, one click, CMSRobots writes a genuinely personalized cold email for each prospect. Not a template. A real, specific email referencing their score, their gaps, their city, their niche. The kind of email that gets replies. When they respond, your built-in CRM tracks every lead, every conversation, every next step. Nothing falls through the cracks. When they want a proposal, CMSRobots generates a professional, branded pitch deck in minutes, tailored to that client's exact situation. The kind of proposal that makes a solo freelancer look like a seasoned agency. And once they sign, you manage everything inside the same dashboard. Content, reports, invoicing, team, all of it. One platform, every step, from first lead to paid invoice. Marcus, a solo SEO freelancer in Dallas, used CMSRobots to find and score 140 dentist leads in one campaign, sent AI-personalized emails to 67 of them, closed 6 clients, $8,400 a month in 60 days. Priya, a marketing consultant in London, went from $3,200 to $8,700 a month in 90 days. Same hours, same skills, new system. And Seo Yun, who had been trying to land her first client for 6 weeks with 0 results, ran one CMSRobots campaign, sent one AI email, sent one AI proposal, and closed a $2,400 a month dentist client in 6 days flat. She told us, "I'm not a natural closer, but with the right system, you don't have to be." Here's what you get when you join CMSRobots today. The AI lead discovery engine, the audit and scoring system, the AI cold email generator, the built-in CRM pipeline, the AI proposal and pitch deck builder, the client delivery dashboard, the full agency management suite, and a commercial license so you keep 100% of every dollar you earn. Plus 5 bonuses, including the 100 client cold email vault, the 6-figure agency playbook, and the proposal that closes guide. Total real-world value, over $5,000. And we considered charging $497 a month. That's what it would cost to build this stack yourself, tool by tool. But today, you pay one small one-time price. No monthly fees. No per lead charges. No surprises. Ever. Right now, in your city, there is a plumber losing customers because his website hasn't been updated since 2015. A dentist bleeding clients to her competitor because she has 12 Google reviews and he has 200. A gym owner who has never shown up on page 1 of Google in his life. They need exactly what you offer. They just don't know you exist yet. CMSRobots is how you change that. Not next month. Not after you build a better system. Today. Click the button below. Get instant access. Run your first campaign in the next 60 minutes. And if CMSRobots doesn't completely transform how you find and close clients, email us within 30 days and we'll refund every single penny. Zero risk. Zero excuses. The only thing standing between you and a full pipeline of local business clients is this one decision. CMS robots, find, pitch, close, deliver, scale. Click below. Let's go. See you inside.
Right now, you can get the main CMS Robots software for a one-time fee of under $15. But if you want to scale fast, here are the upgrades you should know about. OTO1 is the unlimited version for $37. This removes all limits, so you can search for infinite leads and send infinite emails. This is highly recommended. OTO3 is the done-for-you setup for $27. The team will set up your campaigns and pitches for you, so you can start selling immediately. They also offer an agency license and full white label rights if you want to rebrand the software as your own. If you decide to pick up CMS Robots today, I've put together a massive exclusive bonus package for you. You will only get these if you click the link in the description below. Here are the 10 exclusive bonuses you will get for free. Lead Book Generator. Easily integrate Facebook lead ads to automatically add fresh leads directly to your mailing list. Conversion Equalizer. Automatically boost your ad conversion ratios to squeeze the highest possible profit out of your campaigns. Sales Page Recycler. Reuse your winning sales pages on different funnels without starting from scratch. 100 ready-made niche blogs. Instantly deploy fully loaded blogs to capture free search traffic and passive buyers. WP Swift Page plugin. Speed up your website instantly to drop your bounce rate and keep buyers on your page longer. Soci Ultima. Multiply your video views and traffic by reaching targeted audiences across multiple social platforms for free. FB Viral Turbo Machine. Force visitors to share your content before they get your lead magnet, giving you instant viral traffic. Video Hub. Launch your own video subscription platform, charge monthly fees, and take payments directly via Stripe. Keyword Research Ninja. Steal the most profitable search terms from Google and YouTube to rank your content fast. WP Email Timer Plus. Add a real urgency with real countdown timers right inside your emails to force quick buying decisions. CMS Robots is the smartest way to stop paying monthly fees and start closing real clients fast, but you need to act quickly. My custom bonus package is strictly limited to the first 25 buyers who click the link in the description below. Once those spots are gone, these exclusive bonuses disappear forever. The price for CMS Robots is also going up very soon. Do not wait. Click the link below right now to lock in your copy and secure all of my exclusive bonuses. Thanks for watching the CMS Robots review on App Verdict. Please hit the like button, leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to the channel for more reviews. After you complete your purchase, your bonuses will be waiting for you directly inside your receipt area. Click the link in the description now, and I'll see you in the next video.